Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to use linear pattern. So as example you can draw a rectangle and I will use the pull tools to convert into 3D. The next you can draw a circle in the top face. You can click sketch mode, select the top face and I will use the circle tools to create the circle. Now, if you want to use linear patterns into this circle, you can go to design and then you can click this icon, linear pattern. You can select for the objects, you can select these objects. And then for the directions, I will click at this edge. So we create linear patterns with count in x2. And this is for the pitch. Now you can change, like I will set in here into 4 and set pitch into 2. It will be create this pattern. We will set increase again for the pitch, like we set into 5. And this is for 5, or you can set into 4. If you done, you can click OK. You also can extrude one of these objects by using pull tools. I will extrude at this circle and another will be automatically extruded. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to linear pattern. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.